Hey, what's going on everyone? In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix your iPhone Air speaker in just a few simple tips and tricks. So the issue you may be having is that your iPhone will ring as per usual, but when you go to actually answer the call, you're having a lot of difficulty actually hearing any sound whatsoever through the earpiece, and maybe you're also having the issue of it's very crackly or it's very muffly. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix that right in the comfort of your own home. So the very first thing we want to do is actually go ahead and clean the earpiece itself, and then we're also going to clean the microphones as well, as the microphones actually work as a noise cancelling tool, and this can actually affect the actual earpiece as well. So if you want to go ahead and clean the earpiece and the microphone on your iPhone device, I recommend using a new dried toothbrush, and you just want to go ahead and thoroughly kind of just scrub away any dirt and debris that may be in the earpiece speaker. And I'm not sure if you can see this, but as soon as I do that, it already is removing quite a bit of dirt and debris. And then if I kind of just blow around there, you can see that it's kind of just removing that. And another really good tip to use is just to kind of blow into this, maybe like an old Nintendo 64 cartridge, and you just want to blow out any kind of dirt or debris or any fluff as well. And another really good tip is maybe just to get something blunt like a toothpick, something non-metallic, and then you kind of just want to get in there and you just want to maybe clear any dirt that might be kind of lodged in there quite firmly, and you just want to repeat this process a couple of times as well. And with the microphones, you want to go ahead and clean the microphones as well. So on the back of the iPhone, and this is the same for the iPhone 7, 8, and also the iPhone 10 and 11, you actually have this really small dot right there, and this is actually a noise cancellation microphone. So you just want to go ahead and kind of clean that as well. And as you can see, there's a bit of dirt that's coming out of there. And again, I can go ahead and get the toothpick, get in there as well. And again, I'll do the same for the microphone down the bottom grill of the iPhone. And typically the microphone is actually on the left-hand side of the iPhone, and this is for the speaker. But it's up to you. You can go ahead and clean both sides if you want. And this will just help with sound as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and clean out any dirt that may be in there. And again, I'll use the toothbrush to dislodge any dirt as well. So now that we've got the cleaning out of the way, I'll show you guys a few extra tips and tricks that I haven't seen anywhere else, and these might sound a bit unusual, but I've actually found that these do work quite well. So when it comes to the actual earpiece, sometimes maybe if you've dropped your phone, the actual earpiece connector can actually dislodge, and this will cause the problem of no sound coming through whatsoever. So what you actually want to do is actually go ahead and firmly press on the top of the iPhone, and you just want to press around the air speaker area. And again, this does sound quite strange, but I have found this to work sometimes, especially for the no sound issue as well. So you just want to firmly press around there, and hopefully this will reconnect the earpiece speaker. So another fix I recommend you to try is actually to go ahead and get a pair of headphones and actually insert them into your iPhone and then take them out. And you just want to repeat this a couple of times, as sometimes the iPhone can actually think that it's in headphone mode, and this will actually divert the phone call through the headphones, which actually aren't there. So in this instance, you just want to go ahead and just try this several times, and this should hopefully remove the iPhone from headphone mode if it's actually in that state. And you can also go ahead and clean this as well, as any dirt or debris that may be built up in the port can also trick the iPhone into thinking it's in headphone mode as well. So now that we've gone ahead and done some hardware fixes, the next thing I recommend doing is just to go ahead and adjust some of the software settings in the iPhone. And these are just some simple tips and tricks that you can try just to try and get the sound back on the earpiece. So the first one that I recommend doing is to go into settings. And once you're in here, you want to go to Bluetooth. And you just want to ensure that your iPhone is not connected to any Bluetooth devices, as it actually may be diverting the phone call through maybe a Bluetooth speaker, AirPods, or even through the Bluetooth on your car as well. So you just want to go ahead and ensure nothing is connected, and alternatively you can just go ahead and turn Bluetooth off as well. Now once you've gone ahead and make these changes, this should hopefully fix your iPhone, and you can go ahead and make a phone call and see if any of these have worked. So now that we've turned Bluetooth off, I'm just going to show you guys another trick within the settings. So you just want to go back to the settings, and then you want to scroll down to accessibility. And then you just want to scroll down a bit further and go to audio and visual. And in here, you maybe want to turn off phone noise cancellation. So as you can see here, noise cancellation reduces ambient noise on phone calls when you are holding the receiver to your ear. So if you're having any issues with the external microphones on your iPhone, this actually may be causing the problem you may be having. So in this instance, you just want to go ahead and turn this off, and this will stop the active noise cancellation, which should hopefully resolve the issue of the earpiece not working. So if none of these issues have fixed the earpiece problem on your iPhone, the last thing you can try is just to go ahead and restart your iPhone device. And this is simply done by pressing the volume up, the volume down button very quickly, and then pressing onto the lock screen button. So this will go ahead and restart your iPhone just like when you restart your computer if you're having any temporary glitches, and this should hopefully remove any bugs that you may be having on your iPhone device. And just as a side note, this won't delete any data, photos, or apps from your iPhone. This is just a simple restart. So I'll just go ahead and show you guys exactly how to do this now. So I'm going to do quick up, quick down, and then press onto the home, onto the lock screen. And once I'm here, I have the ability to power off, but I'm just going to go ahead and press holding onto this, and this will go ahead and restart the iPhone. So there you have it, guys. That's a few simple steps on how you can hopefully fix the earpiece not working on your iPhone device. So hopefully some of these fixes have helped you. If you've come up with your own fixes, please share them down below in the comments section, as you'll be helping thousands of other iPhone users out there as well. So again, hopefully this video has helped you. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.